What if I told you that coursing through some people's veins right now is blood so new to humanity it didn't even exist when the pyramids were built? In fact, if you have AB blood, you're walking around with a genetic mutation that makes you rarer than people with red hair, green eyes, and left-handedness combined. But here's where it gets wild. This baby of the blood type world might actually hold secrets to living longer, thinking sharper, and dodging diseases that plague the rest of us. Stick around, because what you're about to discover about AB blood will completely change how you think about human evolution. Here's something that'll blow your mind. While blood types O, A, and B have been around for hundreds of thousands of years, way back when our ancestors were still figuring out fire, AB blood only showed up about 1,000 years ago. That's right, 1,000 years. In evolutionary terms, that's like yesterday. Think about it this way. AB blood is younger than the Viking Age. It's younger than medieval castles. Your blood type is literally more modern than the Magna Carta. And unlike A, B, and O, which scientists can trace back to different evolutionary survival strategies, AB blood appeared out of nowhere in a genetic plot twist that still has researchers scratching their heads. So what caused this sudden appearance? And why should you care? Because if you're one of the 4% of the global population with AB blood, your body operates on a completely different rule book. And even if you're not AB, understanding this mystery reveals something profound about how humans are still evolving right now in real time. Picture this. About a millennium ago, in the bustling trade routes connecting Europe and Asia, something unprecedented was happening. Populations that had been separated for tens of thousands of years were suddenly colliding. Europeans carrying mostly A blood were meeting Asians carrying mostly B blood. And when these groups started having children together, their genetics did something it had never done before. It created AB. This wasn't just happening in one place. Archaeological and genetic evidence points to multiple hotspots: the Caucasus region, parts of Central Asia, and areas along the Silk Road where East literally met West. These were humanity's genetic laboratories conducting experiments in real time. But here's what makes AB stories so fascinating. It required very specific conditions. You see, for AB to exist, you need two distinct populations, one carrying the A allele mutation that emerged around 20,000 years ago in agricultural communities, and another carrying the B allele that appeared around 15,000 years ago in nomadic populations. These groups had to not just meet, but interbreed extensively enough for the AB combination to take hold and spread. And it did, but not everywhere equally. Today, if you travel to Korea or Japan, you'll find AB blood in up to 10% of the population. Head to South Asia, you might find 7 or 8%. But go to certain indigenous populations in the Americas or Australia, AB blood is virtually non-existent. This geographical pattern tells us exactly where and when these ancient population mixings occurred, creating a genetic map of human migration and connection. Now, let's geek out for a second because the genetics here are absolutely mind-blowing. On the surface of your red blood cells, you have these things called antigens. Think of them as molecular flags. Type A people have A flags. Type B people have B flags. Type O people have no flags at all. But AB? AB blood has both flags waving simultaneously. And this happens because of something called codominance. When you inherit an A allele from one parent and a B allele from the other, neither gene backs down. They both express fully, creating this hybrid phenotype that's unlike anything else in your body. This is what makes AB individuals universal recipients. Because your immune system is already used to seeing both A and B antigens on your own cells, you don't attack blood from A, B, AB, or O donors. Your body essentially says, yeah, I know all of you, come on in. It's like having a universal key to the blood bank. But here's the catch, and this is crucial. While AB can receive from anyone, AB can only donate to AB. Those dual antigens that make you such a great receiver make you incompatible for the 96% of people who don't share your blood type. You're simultaneously the most privileged and the most restricted blood type in existence. So, now we get to the part that really matters. What does having this ultra-rare, supermodern blood type actually mean for your health? I'm going to be straight with you. The answer is complicated, because AB blood comes with both a blessing and a curse. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Studies have consistently shown that people with AB blood face elevated risks for certain health conditions. Research published in the journal Arteriosclerosis, Thrombosis and Vascular Biology found that AB individuals have an 82% higher risk of cognitive decline and memory problems compared to type O. Another large-scale study, tracking over 50,000 people, found that AB blood was associated with a 23% increased risk of heart disease. And it doesn't stop there. AB blood has been linked to higher rates of stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, and ovarian cancer. The mechanisms are still being researched, but scientists believe it has to do with inflammation markers and how AB blood interacts with certain proteins in your body. Now, I know that sounds terrifying, but before you panic, let me hit you with the other side of the coin. Because AB blood also comes with some serious advantages. Studies show that AB individuals have better resistance to certain parasitic infections and may have enhanced immune responses to specific viruses. Some research suggests AB people have better plasma protein profiles that could protect against severe complications from certain diseases. And here's a wild one. Some cognitive studies have found that while AB individuals may be at higher risk for cognitive decline later in life, they often show enhanced memory function and verbal intelligence in their younger years. The key takeaway is, these are statistical trends across large populations, not your personal destiny. Your lifestyle, what you eat, how you move, how you sleep, how you manage stress, plays a far bigger role in your health outcomes than your blood type ever will. So here's where this all comes together. If you're AB, understanding your unique genetic profile isn't about living in fear. It's about leveraging knowledge for proactive optimization. Let's talk strategy. Given the cardiovascular risks associated with AB blood, doubling down on heart-healthy habits isn't just smart, it's essential. This means prioritizing anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, and berries. Some research on blood-type diets suggest AB individuals may process certain proteins and carbohydrates differently, though the scientific jury is still out on how significant these differences really are. What we do know for certain is that AB individuals should be laser-focused on the fundamentals, maintaining healthy blood pressure, keeping cholesterol in check, and monitoring inflammation markers with regular blood work. If you're AB, that annual physical isn't optional. It's your early warning system. For cognitive health, the research points to specific interventions that seem particularly beneficial. Regular aerobic exercise to maintain cerebral blood flow, omega-3 supplementation to support brain structure, and engaging in mentally stimulating activities that build cognitive reserve. Think of it as fortifying your defenses before any battle begins. And here's something exciting. Emerging research in personalized medicine is starting to look at how blood type interacts with pharmaceutical metabolism and supplement absorption. We're not quite there yet, but within the next decade, we might see treatment protocols specifically optimized for AB individuals, taking into account how your unique antigens interact with medications. Look, whether you're AB or not, here's what this entire story teaches us. Human evolution didn't stop thousands of years ago. It's happening right now. AB blood is living proof that we're still changing, still adapting, still mixing and creating new genetic combinations that never existed before. If you are AB, you're not just rare, you're the newest chapter in the human story. You carry genetic code that speaks to connection, migration, and the breaking down of boundaries between populations. Yes, that comes with specific health considerations. But armed with knowledge, you can turn those vulnerabilities into action plans. The future of health isn't one size fits all. It's understanding your unique genetic blueprint, whether that's your blood type, your ancestry, or your individual disease risks, and using that information to make smarter choices every single day. So do me a favor, if you found this fascinating, drop your blood type in the comments. Let's see how many AB unicorns we have watching. And if you want to dive deeper into personalized health optimization based on your unique biology, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started on this journey. Your blood tells a story. Make sure you're writing the ending you want.